In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to convert text into a shape. I'm going to start by selecting the shape. Now remember, you can use any of these. I'm going to go ahead and select an ellipse. Now to get a perfect circle, remember to hold Shift when you click and drag. If you don't hold Shift, then remember it becomes an oval. So if I hold Shift, I can click and drag. Or if I want to drag from outwards in, I'm going to hold Alt, Shift, and click and drag. And there's my circle. Then I'm going to go ahead and do hotkey T for my text. I'm going to click once. Let's change my text. I'm just going to say name. Now here, over in the layers panel, you're going to see my name is in front of my ellipse, and I want to switch that. So I can click and drag the ellipse above the name layer, or I can select the name, object, arrange, send to back. And that does the same thing. You can also click on your ellipse, object, arrange, bring to front too. You're going to want to select both of these items, click and drag. You're going to go to object, envelope distort, make with top object. And there you have it. You have text now that is converted into a shape.